Introduction. Has your Samsung smartphone stopped responding after a repair or drop? A loose flex cable could be the issue. In this guide, we'll walk you through safely reclipping the flex cable to restore functionality. Let's get started. Asterisk. Tools you'll need. Before we begin, gather these tools: a plastic pry tool, a Phillips number 0 screwdriver, tweezers, and a clean workspace. Avoid metal tools to prevent short circuits. Step 1. Power off and disassemble. First, power off the phone. Remove the back cover carefully using a pry tool. If your model has screws, unscrew them and keep them organized. Lift the mid-frame gently to expose the internals. Step 2. Locate the flex cable. Identify the loose or disconnected flex cable. Common culprits include the display, battery, or charging port connectors. Look for small ZIF0 insertion force connectors marked in white or black. Step 3. Reclipping the flex. To reseat the cable: 1. Lift the connector's locking flap with tweezers. 2. Align the flex's gold contacts with the socket. 3. Press the flap back down firmly until it clicks. Avoid forcing it. Misalignment can damage the pins. Step 4. Reassembly and testing. Reattach the mid-frame and screws, then snap the back cover into place. Power on the device. Test touch response, charging, or buttons if issues persist. Double-check connections. Final tips and outro. Pro tip: use magnification for tiny connectors. If problems continue, seek professional help. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more repair guides. Comment below if you have questions.